I can only have one night here, so I'm going to enjoy it. Ooh, we have a phone. Who are you calling when you're in here? Can you order, hello? Hey. Hey. In this video, I'm gonna show you the difference between a $10 hotel room and a $100 hotel room here in the Philippines, just to show you how far your money will go. This is my first time staying in a resort since I've been in the Philippines, and I typically stay in rooms between a price range of $10 and $30. But for tonight, I'm gonna have some fun for the one night that I have in a resort. We're gonna head that way as soon as the rain stops. Kamusta?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
Good. Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Ayo, ayo.
Bye.
It is pouring down rain. I just met Star and Zeus, the coolest names of anyone I've ever met. It is Zeus's birthday, so happy birthday, Zeus. I don't even know if I'm going the right way. Found the room. Very nice. We have a balcony. Oh. Wow. This is actually the cheapest room at the hotel, 5,000 pesos, which is about 86 US dollars. I am a little bit shy of our $100 mark. However, there are many other rooms in this hotel that are much above the 100 mark. Let's do the full tour. Queen, full, probably. Oh, very nice. Granite countertops. We have a phone, in case you need to make some business calls. If I'm honest, these phones have always kind of creeped me out. Who are you calling when you're in here? Can you order, hello? Can you order room service from here? That's just that's just creepy. This is half the reason I live in Asia. If you don't know what this is, you haven't lived. Bum gun. Hi, Mom. Happy birthday, Zeus. Oh, hey. See, if I have a neighbor there, we can just post up and have a little chat. I'm lonely. Where's my... I need a neighbor over there. You hear that storm? We have a sofa for sitting. I don't want to sit here. I need better lighting. Nope. What about this? The same price would be one giant king bed. I didn't specify, but this is, the queen is plenty big here. Let's see, we have another light switch here. I'm a big fan of the light switches. Hand sanitizer. It's a mask. Complimentary waters, glasses, shampoo, lotion. I didn't even notice the TV here. So yeah, it's awesome. Obviously, I don't need to tell you, that's why I was joking around. It's obvious how nice this room is. I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm not going to check out a minute early. As nice as the rooms are, what may be the main attraction is not the rooms, but actually the pool or pools. There are multiple layered pools in two separate sections on the property, one right on the beach and then another one not on the beach. And these are not just daytime pools. I've wandered up from the beach at night before. They have a restaurant right on the beach, and many of the rowdier guests were swimming at night, as they can swim up to a swim up bar. I don't know what's happening right now. It has stopped raining, but it is nighttime. So I'm gonna go eat some dinner downstairs. Might go for a night swim. Look who I found in the pool.
And the last one is Kalwa.
That was a comfortable bed. As you can see, it is no longer raining. But now that it's not raining, it's time to go film, if they let me. Good morning, fish. Huh? Wow. This is where we were last night. This is literally what postcards are made of. I'm not talking. See, I never get to stay in places like this. I would rather have the 20-day trip to JayDin Inn than the 2-day trip, the 2-day holiday in a resort. For instance, the last few nights I've been staying at a place called Alona Gecko, directly across the street from here for about $25 a night. It's away from the beach, so it's quiet. A lot of these properties that are right on the beach, you hear all of the live music from the nightlife on the beach and you can't sleep that well. But Alona Gecko's about a 5-minute walk from the beach, so it's cheaper and quieter. Big fridge, AC. So I typically stay in places like that instead of places like this. By the way, this I think are the most expensive rooms here, these bungalows here. And the upper pool area is only 16 years old and above, so it'll be a little bit quieter and less rowdy up here. But now I'm hungry. Let's go check out the breakfast spread. Chocolate orange. Egg. Yeah, I need that. You see the struggle we go through here as a bald man when we have to apply sunscreen rigorously, but we don't need shampoo. Hello.
Hello.
Welcome to my vlog. My own boondog. This is Henan Resort. We have Ray.
Bartender.
A bartender? Oh, you're a bartender?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
My partner.
Anjo.
Anjo.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Anjo.
Christian, full attendant here.
Okay, Christian,
Okay.
pool attendant here. Are you at this beach bar? Do you work at that one?
No, we work for here, sir.
Different bar.
Well, I didn't even know we had another bar.
Yeah, that's bar.
Whoa. And then there's another one upstairs.
Yeah, the main pool bar.
Oh, wow. All right, well, awesome. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
I'll put you in the video.
Yeah.
What do we have here?
Our stocks.
Ooh. Enjoy.
Sir, nice meeting you, sir.
Nice meeting you. Have a good day.
Sir.
Ayo. There's like a little toddler with these wrapper sunglasses on and all right, I gotta stay focused. We're looking for a chair. That's just not gonna happen, is it? Huh. Ooh, we got a storm cloud coming in. Uh-oh. Good thing we got out here early to film. The last chair. Literally the last available chair. If you do get a chair, guard it with your life. As I said, I very rarely stay in places like this because I've been traveling outside of my home country for 8 or 9 years, and the only way that's sustainable is if I stay in the most affordable options. Since I don't need all of the lavish amenities, I don't need the phone in the bathroom to be happy. All of that being said, I am unbelievably grateful that I had the opportunity to stay here at Henan Inn. I had a blast. I think you could tell how much I loved my stay here, and I enjoyed every single minute of it. So now that you've seen the resort option, let's go see how far $7 a night will get us at JayDin Travellers Inn. For those of you who are like myself and are looking for the more affordable options.
No private toilet, so there's just shared toilet.
Okay.
Only a fan.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Yeah, that's a small toilet.
I'm used to this though. The entire time I lived in Nicaragua, never had an AC. So let's check this one out. Let's test her out. Good fan. All right, let's check out the room, see what we got. All right, so we have a bed, got a window, got a table, got a chair, got some space here. If you want a private room for your budget trip, this is perfect. And like she said, you heard what they offer for breakfast. It's gonna be rice and egg, coffee included in the price. The non-AC room was the price that I quoted you earlier. Upstairs is 600 pesos for one person with the AC room and the private bathroom. 900 if you have 2 people. So that's the AC one. Can I walk in there?
Sure.
Okay, with slippers?
Yeah, it's alright.
Okay, all right, so this one, yeah, this one has A little bit more room too. Oh, and there's a TV there. Okay, and then a private bathroom.
You want one or two?
One's fine.
Oh, sure.
Okay.
Maybe if you want other one.
Okay.
I just put it there.
Okay, all right, thank you. These are stick coffees. If you want to save money, these are usually like 3. How much are these if you buy them at the store?
It's 3 pesos.
3 pesos? Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you. If you want cheap coffee, I get these all the time. I buy these every day, but there's 3 pesos usually in one of these stores, opposed to Starbucks where they are $3. So since I usually just do eggs for breakfast, that's all I have. I have an egg and a banana, and she gave me 2 stick coffees included in the price. Egg, banana, and they have a little puppy. Oh, you have 2?
Yeah.
Hey. Hey. Hey, puppies. These are awesome puppies.
Yeah.
This is their mother?
Yeah. Because their father is black.
The father's black. Oh, okay. How adorable. They are hungry. Hey. My own bungtag. So this comes with puppies as well. Here. I was just going to get. Do you sell water here too?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
There's a free cold water I get for you.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
You don't have to buy.
Okay. Thank you. Hey. So this is kind of like a B&B or something. You know, not really a hotel feel or a hostel feel, kind of more like a bed and breakfast kind of feel with puppies. Like a walk-in rate for cash. What would you said? It's 600 upstairs. What's that one?
400 if you're only one.
Okay, 400.
Yeah. But if there's 2 people, 500.
Okay. This is too big.
Ah, it's alright. You can leave the rest.
No, I mean too big as in the Bisaya word for water.
Ah, yeah. Too big.
You thought I meant like the size was too big. No. Too big is the word for water.
Yeah.
I'm practicing my Bisaya.
Ah, that's good.
And how do you say banana?
Saging.
Sagin.
Yeah.
Sagin, too big.
And itlo.
Itlo is egg.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I didn't film too much there. Obviously, she didn't really like the camera, but I think you got a gist of how far your money can go and what $7 can get you. I'm gonna take off my helmet. I personally think that's a great deal. $7, that's a lot of value for your money. It's about a 5-minute scooter drive from the beach. If you wanna rent a scooter, Alona's Mini Mart's the place to go. I hope this video was helpful for you to show you how far your money will go here in the Philippines. Here are a couple other videos from my channel, so you can check those out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.